Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be recreating one of the content creators' tablescapes. So let's get started, guys. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Recreation 6K Tablescape Celebration, and that's with At Home with Lisa. Now this is really fun because we have to go back and see the tablescapes that Lisa has created and then try to recreate it. We just can come close to it. We're not going to be exact, so that's okay too. It's just really about having fun. So remember that we're trying to show support because she is celebrating her 6,000 subscribers, and I am so happy and proud of her. All right, so we're going to take a look at who's hosting here. So, of course, it's At Home with Lisa, and I am hosting with her the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Let's take a look at the co-hosts. So we have Lorna's Decor. I am Shakita D, Annalise Cupboard, Jennifer at Home, Aria Design, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Debbie Bubbles, Styling with Gigi Fashion, Design with Emma, and Pure Elegance by Kim. Now remember, as in all collaborations, we always follow YouTube etiquette. So let me tell you about my tablescape. Now, I did go back into Lisa's playlist and I found a rustic tablescape. I'm going to try to come close to it. Let's see if Lisa can figure out which one it is. I'm just having fun, guys. I am happy for her, supporting her, and we are just having a ball here. So let's see if she can figure out which tablescape I tried to duplicate. But like I said, you come close, near, she knows exactly what you're doing. We're just having fun here, guys. Let's just celebrate her today. So Lisa, I love you very much. I'm so proud of you for hitting the 6K, and I am right behind you, backing you up. So let's have a party today. I'm going to leave you to some music, and I'm going to try my best to recreate something that you're proud of. So I'll see you at the end of the video, guys. Now we are lighting the candles and we're gonna head on over to the reveal. But let me tell you real quick what I have on the table. Now that lace runner, that was a thrifted item. And then the Dollar Tree is carrying these beautiful gold runners. So I placed that on there and hopefully this will give it away. And then I decided to go ahead and create a centerpiece with Dollar Tree florals right in the center, very beautiful. And they did incorporate some purple, but lots of sunflowers. And here's a vase here that I had DIY'd. So the dishes, well, the chargers were thrifted items, and actually everything in the dinnerware area was thrifted, and the water glasses and the wine glasses were from the Dollar Tree. I believe the water glasses though were thrifted also. So everything was budget friendly, and I did come close to that rustic look, and of course that sunflower looks. I just love it. I hope that she does too. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. I don't know. I do believe that I achieved the rustic look. I do believe that I achieved that slight vintage type touch. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Yes, this was an amazing collab though.